Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Money Online. Today, we're going to be talking about XRP stock. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video to find out how buying XRP stock will make you rich and give you long-term success. It came into the limelight in 2018 following the ascent of crypto giants Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP is valued at about $0.4 to $0.5. It was projected to hit $1 in 2020. Ripple powers the XRP. You should note that Ripple had, for some time before the establishment of XRP, worked to establish a working relationship with several financial institutions in many countries of the world. Its main goal was to revolutionize payment methods and modulate the medium of transactions from one part of the world to the other. Originally, Ripple existed as the prototype of a decentralized payment system in the form of Ripple Pay. It was beta tested and then launched to offer reliable payment solutions within a global network. It offers an innovative and useful payment solution for banks and major financial institutions. In 2015, the company returned to its present name, Ripple. The XRP cryptocurrency fuels the Ripple system. The coin was designed to enhance smooth financial transactions by making them faster and cheaper. Ripple is eventually a replacement for SWIFT, the current standard for international bank wires, including slow speeds and high fees. Banks have been using Ripple to move funds at lightning-fast speeds between two third parties. Based on the market index, XRP is ranked as the third most valuable crypto asset in dollar terms, valued at around $11 billion. It's an open-source, decentralized cryptographic ledger. It acts as a bridge between payment liquidity sources for banks and payment providers, making it easy to trade currencies. Ripple doesn't own XRP, nor the XRP ledger, as both are not subject to a single entity, individual, or organization. Ripple employs XRP to facilitate a product named XRapid, which is deployed to provide a source of ready-to-go liquidity in making payments for banks and other financial bodies. All contributions made to the XRP ledger are subject to the control of the users. Users can obtain XRP via exchange. XRP directly opposes the trend set by other forms of cryptocurrencies. While other cryptos were designed to go against banking options and transactions, it was designed to integrate the existing banking rules directly. This served as the fundamental drive behind its operation. To achieve this goal, it signed several partnerships with many banks across the world. The list includes some world-renowned names such as Euro Exim Bank, MoneyGram, JNFX, FTCS, BFC Bahrain, Ahli Bank of Kuwait, Transpago, GMT, and WorldCom Finance. Ripple also partnered with certain high-profile financial groups such as Japan-based Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, with assets of more than $2.8 trillion, to provide an international money transfer service that serves as a payment option from Japan to Brazil. Banks using Ripple include Europe's banking giant HSBC Holdings plc, with assets of about $2.5 trillion, which disclosed in 2019 that it would use the XRP payment solution. With assets of $1.9 trillion, Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group and Mizuho Financial Group, with trillions of dollars in assets, Japan Post Bank also has a close relationship with Ripple Asia. Others having a relationship with Ripple include Banco Santander, Barclays plc, Royal Bank of Canada, and Toronto Dominion Bank. This partnership generally makes XRP a centralized system that complies with government regulations in its relationship with banks and financial groups. It's predicted that it will destabilize other altcoins that are decentralized if it becomes a generally accepted cryptocurrency and payment system by all banks. The number of users of XRP has increased as more users have found great use in its system for sending live payments, and business and individuals are leveraging XRP for on-demand liquidity. XRP Projections. The digital asset is estimated to be at 100 billion XRP, with close to 43 billion being circulated. The market cap is currently over 11 billion, and that's with XRP currently priced at $0.25. In 2018, the XRP coin's value reached an ultimate high from $0.006 to over $3.8 within a few months. Market analysts reported that the coin started in 2012 with an approximate price of $0.005. There was no subsequent rise until May 2017, when its price peaked. XRP suddenly soared to 0.36 per coin. The price trend later drifted back and forth to settle down around the 0.2 range towards the end of the year. The second peak occurred around January 2018 when XRP hit its highest so far, around $3.84. Ripple was also the most profitable asset of that year, bringing investors over 100,000% gains quickly. However, the price started falling gradually, and by September, the rate fell to 0.29. Short-lived upside momentum then boosted the coin's value up to 0.56. XRP closed 2018 at $0.35. The role of Ripple in the sustenance of the coin is notable for its growth to an extent. It rises in stock every time Ripple announces a new partnership with a large bank or payment service. It would always trigger short-term price hikes in XRP to start promoting its currency not only as payment means but also as an investment tool. XRP is predicted to attain efficiency in speeding up transactions and alleviating the transaction cost, attracting more and more users. The existing price range of $0.3 to $0.31 is projected to undergo a meteoric rise, especially if it closes consecutively above $0.31. This will cause a rise of up to $0.47. The forecasted price of XRP is at $0.348 in 1 year. This stands at about a gain of almost 28%. The coin is expected to reach $1.9422 within 5 years. As it is with every other cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin, it isn't easy to predict. Given the massive rise in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrency may be at a disadvantage. There is no definite answer to this question. It also faces the common challenge of choosing what cryptocurrency to invest in a dynamic market. Volatility makes XRP hard to predict. There's no certain predictive price level that a digital coin will attain in a few hours, let alone long-term forecasts. Note this: to invest in XRP, consider the latest technical analysis, expert opinion, and market trends of the coin at a particular time. Stay updated with crucial knowledge as much as possible to build a winning trading strategy. If you're interested in making long-term investments, you can take advantage of the crypto market volatility via CFD trading. Regulators and cryptocurrency experts explain that Ripple and XRP would see strong price performance. Predicting how high XRP can go requires a technical analysis, which can help analyze when certain price points may be reached. XRP in 2020. XRP was projected to move from 15 cents per XRP to as high as $0.5 in 2020. XRP could experience a high rise, with an influx of investors and contributions who realize the train is taking off without them. Bitcoin has taught a lot of people that hard lesson. No one wants to miss out on the next big thing that comes out of cryptocurrency. The pent-up momentum is forecasted to rise as high as $75 per XRP before 2023. The future of XRP. Analysts predict prices to reach a range of $26 to $100. Longer-term price projections put XRP price at highs over $100 to $200. However, there are many alternative scenarios where there's a drawback after setting a new all-time high. This will provide traders with additional opportunities to open short positions after rallies have been exhausted, and open long-term positions when XRP achieves long-term historical support. How to buy XRP. You can deploy online software such as the Kraken exchange services to buy Bitcoin. Mind you, these exchange services may not necessarily have a wallet system. To access their services in a few steps, you can do the following. 1. Sign up for an account. Enter your email address on our sign-up page, select a unique username, and be sure to create a strong password. 2. Verify your account. You can buy XRP with other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ether simply by providing your name, date of birth, country, and phone number. 3. Deposit fiat or cryptocurrency. Depositing fiat currency to the platform, which will be exchanged into its corresponding value in XRP. Then generate a new deposit address to receive funds in your crypto wallet. Adding fiat currencies to your account for trading can be done in several ways, including SWIFT, SEPA, and domestic wire transfers. The option you select will be based on your location and preference. Once your fiat currency, for example USD, hits your account, you're ready to start buying XRP. Open the new order page, fill out the order form, and click Buy. With your Kraken account, you'll also have access to charting tools, 24-hour global client support, advanced order types, and leverage trading. Where to keep your XRP. Once you're done buying XRP, you should look for a way to secure it. The best way to do this is with a wallet that supports XRP. You can use many types of wallets to keep your digital assets safe, including hardware, software, and cloud ones. The option you choose will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Trading XRP. Prime XBT is one of the few tools traders can take advantage of to open long or short positions with up to 100 times leverage on either the XRP USD pair or the XRP BTC pair. Besides other popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP also dominates on Prime XBT. With the predicted economic recession around the corner due to the pandemic and global debt rising to the extreme, regular currencies are doomed to fall. Simultaneously, decentralized cryptocurrencies are expected to grow higher and faster to new heights, thereby demonstrating their true power as the future of money. Ripple remains one of the best cryptocurrencies globally, ranked by market cap only behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. The crypto asset has maintained the top position for several years and is expected to remain one of the most valuable digital assets in the market. It could become the main technology employed by banks for regulating international payments and make other platforms like Western Union and MoneyGram obsolete. The cordial relationship with global financial market regulators gives Ripple additional value for investors and traders who can remain comfortable. Their asset of choice doesn't come with unnecessary risks. So far, investors in XRP have been reported to earn close to 1,000% increases on their investment. Because of this, XRP retains the potential prospect of being a huge success, given its alternative approach to other forms of crypto. With the acceptance of its system by a larger number of financial institutions across all countries globally, they will deploy it to enable their users to make cross-border transactions from their home country. XRP is bound to gradually rise in stock over the years and later rake in millions. According to the crypto whale, XRP processes transactions 1,000 times faster than Bitcoin, between 3 and 4 seconds. It is relatively cheaper than Bitcoin, less than $0.01. It's available for users via exchanges, that is, it is not subject to mining. Its indoctrination as a payment solution with little to no side risks makes it a scalable cryptocurrency. We hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. What other cryptocurrency news would you like us to talk about? Please let us know in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.